What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fishing con Velasquez. Here I am at Success Lake once again on my kayak. There it is. I am about to go hunt for some big ones. The tournament just finished here. There was probably 45 to 50 boats out here with 2 competitors in each boat. It's a lot of fish in the live wells. A lot of fish caught today. So we'll see what they left for me. Hopefully they can catch a few that are still hungry. It starts now. Well, guys, we're gonna start out with the topwater frog here, the KVD frog. I'm just gonna work this around these trees here. Maybe there are a few bass up shallow. Hopefully I get a hit. I could see a few fish jumping here and there. I'm in about 22 foot of water, but they keep on jumping. So they're up top of the surface, so maybe I can get a bite. We'll see right now. There's one, I got one. Got one, guys. Oh. Woo! Frogfish. Oh man. Frogfish. Oh, check it out, guys. Look at that. Look at that frogfish right there. He inhaled it. Look at that. Solid, I don't know, 2.5 pounder. Well, he choked that frog, man. Let's get him. Man. Choked that frog. Look at that. Choked it. Alright, guys. It came out to 2.11 pounds. First one of the day. Let's let this puppy go. I stopped fishing with the frog. I fished it around for another 30 minutes or so. I just couldn't get any blow-ups on it. I started marking fish a little bit more shallow here, about 5 foot of water. I'm throwing around the fluke right now. I have it on a 1/4 ounce jig head, and I'm just throwing it at the base of these trees. I'm just hopping it off the bottom, letting it glide down. I do have an exposed hook, so maybe I could get caught, but I'm gonna try this for a little bit. Hopefully I get a bite. There is a lot of shad going around. Just target the tree right there and let it sink. Let me position myself again. There's a little bit of a current here that keeps on pushing me sideways. Got one. Come on. Come on, guys. Woo! There he is. Right through the eye. Check it out, guys. He choked that thing. Look at that. Damn. Look at that, guys. He took that thing all the way. Look at that. Look, different angle. Look. All the way in. He took that thing all the way in. Look at that. Swallowed it. Alright guys, let's start throwing this Jenko J-Pod umbrella rig here. I got on my Dobin swim bait rod, Dobin's Fury. I have Daiwa Zillion on there. I don't have a swim bait reel, but let's throw this around for a little bit. I have some Kitex on there with a 1/4 ounce jig heads, 20-pound test line on this reel. I'm just gonna swim it around these trees here, at the base of the trees. From time to time, give it a quick darting motion. Hopefully we can trigger some of these fish. There's a lot of balls of shad going around, which is what I'm trying to mimic right now. So I'm in competition with that, but I do have those little blades on there, the willow blades. So hopefully that's what's gonna stand out from the balls of shad, and maybe I can trigger a bite here. I already tried the fluke for about 35-40 minutes. I couldn't get any more bites, so hopefully I can get a bite here. So I started throwing the chatterbait now. The umbrella rig just wasn't working. I came over here to one of the little arms of the lake. The waves are starting to get a little aggressive actually. So I came over here, that way I could just stay in one place and throw this chatterbait around, because I was paddling more than I was fishing out there on the main lake. So hopefully I can get something on this chatterbait here. Well guys, I decided to get off of my kayak. I'm seeing some big whitecaps out on the main lake, and I was really feeling it in my kayak here. I was getting pushed left and right, and I was like, you know what, I better get off my kayak for a little bit, because these waves are getting really aggressive. I just looked on my phone and it says the wind is gonna get up to 18 miles an hour. I did not foresee this. I'm stuck here on the other side of the boat ramp. I don't know how I'm gonna get back. Hopefully the wind stops. Well guys, I'm stranded here. I decided to get off the kayak and onto the shore because the waves are way too big, man. There's whitecaps in the main lake. I'm here in the little arm, and the waves are still rocking my kayak. I've been fishing off the bank for a little bit, hoping that this wind would calm down, but I'm debating right now if I should make a run for it and try to get past these big old waves and risk flipping over, or if I should just wait it out and see if the wind stops in the next 30 minutes or an hour and then go safely. Check it out. But it's already 7:30, it's getting dark. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. Let's check this out. What's behind me? Wilderness. I don't want to get attacked by an animal. I think I'm gonna hop in the kayak and just paddle and make a run for the boat ramp. Hopefully I will flip over these white caps. Man, I'll see you out there in the water. Hopefully I don't flip over. I'm sure you'll have fun watching me go through those big old waves and almost flip over. And if I flip over, well, I got the GoPro rolling. We'll see you. Guys, I'm debating again. Look at these big old waves right here. I'm at the main lake already, but I'm here behind these little bushes, kind of shedding myself from the big waves. But oh well, I mean, I have to do it. I have to paddle out there and try to get to the boat ramp. Hopefully I don't flip over. Wish me luck. I'm gonna turn on my light in case there's some boats running around, that way they get to see me. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Well guys, I'm almost at the shore. I had a hard time with these huge waves. I was trying my best to paddle as fast as I could where there was smaller waves, and once the big whitecap showed up, then I started just facing him that I want to flip over. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you on our next adventure, fishing con Velasquez.